Who's ready for an Ipsy rant? That was too close. We had to back it up. Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my July ultimate for this month for Ipsy. But we're gonna title it August for the views, honestly, because I need to know how many more of you out there are having problems with Ipsy. Is it just me? Actually, I know it's not just me, because I had posted on my Insta stories about, you know, if you guys wanted me to talk about this, and I actually had, I think it was 12 exact messages saying talk about this because mine's lost, or my friend's is lost, someone I know's is lost. And the comments that I've gotten of your bags being lost, you telling me other YouTubers ultimates are lost, other bags are lost, but it seems to be the ultimate that's the problem. The majority of everyone saying that their bags are lost has been the ultimate, so I'm gonna talk to you about my experience with Ipsy. It's freaking just, it's honestly comical, it's golden, it's so ridiculous. But we're gonna talk about that. But first I'm gonna show you what I actually got in my ultimate, but with screenshots, because, you know, I don't have the physical product to show you, which is very unfortunate because I paid a little over $75 this month for that box. So where you at, Ipsy? And if you're curious what I'm wearing on my eyes today, we have the Manny MUA X Morphe palette. You guys, I already reviewed this months and months ago. I did not like the palette, but I did just do this look today, right before this. Obviously, that's why I'm wearing it. It's not gonna be a talking video. I'm just gonna literally play it, and you guys are gonna watch me do my eyeshadow. It's gonna be super simple, fast, and to the point, to see if this is even actually, like, you know, still as crappy as it was the first time I reviewed it. But anyways, I just wanted to mention that. And yeah, if you guys enjoy any kind of video from me, then give this video a thumbs up, because I am normally your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, but today I'm a little angry, so it might not seem like it. I'm actually in a really good mood, so that's good. I'm not gonna yell. I have also noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, so if you would do me the honor and go ahead and subscribe, it would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first item that would have been coming in my box, if I ever even see it, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. And it also comes with a liquid lip, so it's a little duo. I already own this palette, so it's not for me. This is actually for Noelle. If you guys don't know who she is, I collab with her all the time. She's like the only person I collab with, and I got this for her. So this is for her. Will she get it? I don't know. We'll see. Next is my item that I actually chose, and I was very excited about it. Y'all already know I've been wanting to try this for a long time. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Then we have the coffee scrub. This is the coffee scrub in French Vanilla. This is something that I would have been getting in my box, and it sounds good, and I might actually try it if I get it. Next up, we have something from Juan USA. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is the green tea eye gel patch set of 3. These are something magical to put in your fridge and put on your eye and just read a book and feel fantastic, but I don't think I'm gonna be feeling fantastic. Next we have from Duft & Doft. This is the Hydra Soother Balancing Radiance Cream. Then from Yvette, this is the Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser, which sounds amazing. And then this is an item that I'm not like happy about, but you know, whatever. This is from Tristique. I don't really care for the brand Tristique, but I'm actually kind of intrigued to try this. The girl that I did my BoxyCharm unboxing with, we are no longer friends. LOL. If you guys want a story time, I can give it to you. She got this in her box, in a BoxyCharm box 2 months ago, and I kind of want to try it. So if I ever receive my box, I would kind of really want to try this. This is the Color Plus Contour Bronzer Stick in Brazilian Bronze. And then the other one is from Seraphine Botanicals, the Sakura Plus Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette, which looks absolutely beautiful. One of the items that I'm most excited for is the Purlisse Beauty Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Also, if you guys don't know, I actually was sent the American Influencer Beauty Bundle last month. It was the June-July box, and if you guys don't know, the August box, the August-September box, is going to have the watermelon like collection 5 to 6 full-size items of Purlisse only. I'm so excited. I will link that video below if you want to see what I got in the June and July box if you haven't seen it, and then you guys can determine whether or not you guys want to get the Pure Lease box, because it's definitely gonna be worth it. Next up we have from LaRousse. This is the Essentials brush set. It's like a over $100 valued brush set. Crock of crap. But I've already gotten this, and I actually got an email from Ipsy saying, oh, well, looks like we've already sent you this, so you're gonna have another item on us in the box, which makes no sense. If you're like, you know, preparing the boxes, why not just take the item out and then put that one in? Why add an extra item? I don't know. And then the next thing is from Foxy Bay. This is the replenishing hair mask set of 8. This is something I know I'm absolutely not going to use just because I don't really care about hair care. You guys know, but maybe I'll give it a try. I don't know. Next up is from Beauty For Real. This is the Shadow Sticks 24/7 eyeshadow duo in Midnight, Marathon, and something else. It's 2 eyeshadow stick duos. I really like these. I like any kind of single eyeshadow sticks. I love to just put a wash of color on my lid and then just go about my day. So this is something that I will really like to have if I get it, and I'll put it in this drawer with the rest. Last thing is the Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. This is something that really interests me. I really want to try it. Give me my bag, Ipsy, please. And then this is the bag this month. You guys already know this is what it looks like. And yeah, let's get on to what Ipsy had to say. So I put out a tweet that said my Ipsy Ultimate with add-ons was delivered yesterday, except I don't have it. Furious is an understatement. The post office is not gonna like me tomorrow. Well, the post office had nothing to do with it. They did not have the package. So yeah, because I had the delivered in at mailbox there, and I guess it was just delayed or something because I actually didn't have a package delivered that day. I don't understand. I have informed delivery. I don't know. I don't understand. But anyways, they said, thanks for reaching out. Please choose the reason you're contacting us. Blah, 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 blah. Well, I didn't. I just sent them a screenshot of what I said because they replied to my thing. So anyways, they said, hi Connor, thanks for contacting Ipsy Care. Your July Glam Bag Classic was marked delivered recently. Here's your tracking. And then it gave me the tracking number, blah, 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 COVID, you know. If your bag still hasn't arrived within 5 business days, please let me know and I'll make sure you get a replacement. To clarify, your July Glam Bag Ultimate is currently on its way to you. And then it gave me the tracking information there. And then tips, it takes more than 1 day, blah, blah, blah. They're saying that it was actually my Glam Bag regular that was sent to me on that day, and at that time I didn't know, and I thought it was my Ultimate because I had already gotten my regular Glam Bag, so I was really confused. So I said, this is 5 days later, and I'm like, it's been 5 days since my Ultimate said it was delivered, but I still haven't received it. I also had purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Ina palette as an add-on, and they said, thanks for writing. I am so sorry for the confusion. I checked your tracking and I see your July Glam Bag Ultimate is still on its way to you. However, your tracking number hasn't updated recently. So they sent me the tracking number again, and then I said, look, you know, something was delivered today, but I don't have it. And they said that they were sorry for the mix-up, that this is your tracking number. And here's the thing, both tracking numbers are the same. My regular Glam Bag tracking number and my Glam Bag Ultimate tracking number were the exact same. The exact same information. That's where I'm having the issue though with Ipsy, is the fact that they're like, this is your Glam Bag regular, this is your Glam Bag Ultimate, but the tracking number is the same. So I'm like, okay, and then the same information, like, oh, it was sent here, received here at this specific time, both of them, but the same tracking number. So we went back and forth like 3 different times of like, oh, I'm sorry, this is the tracking number, this is the tracking number, this is your tracking number, and I'm just like, okay. And I was like, I sent them a screenshot here, or I sent them my video link where I'm like, I had already received my Glam Bag days before that tracking number said delivered. So I don't understand. My Ultimate said it was supposed to be delivered on that day, and my Ipsy Glam Bag Classic was supposed to be delivered on the actual day that I did receive it, which was on like a Tuesday or a Wednesday. But yeah, so that's my issue, is the fact that they pretty much just kind of like, I don't know. I said again that the Classic Glam Bag and the Ultimate is the exact same tracking number and information that you keep sending me. And then they said, I'm I'm sorry, but here's the tracking link for your July Classic Glam bag. And it says delivered on the 16th, but I didn't get it on the 16th. I got it on like 14th or something like that. 13th, I don't remember. You see my struggle here? So, I don't know. When I click on my ultimate, it says we're working on your order and estimated delivery date is coming soon. You actually click on the tracking number and it literally won't click. I'm not going to give it to you because you could probably like, I don't know, type it in, figure out where I live, but I'm literally clicking it and it's taking me nowhere. Doesn't even work anymore. So what do I do? And I was getting that information from Ipsy on my account, going and tracking it there. And even here, when I click on the link that they sent me on Twitter for my shipment, the link, it takes me to the same thing. We're working on your order, tracking. You click on the tracking link and it's not even, it doesn't work anymore. But it previously did work, and I took a screenshot. Let me find it. Let me see. Where is it at? And it shipped out on July 9th, I think. Yeah, July 9th. Where's it at? It's been a very, very long time. I don't know if my box is out partying. I don't know. Where is my box? I did not spend a little over $75 on an Ipsy box for me to get a runaround from customer service. Like I'm doing something wrong that I should just wait it out. But I've never had this problem before. And the fact that it's not just me this month that this is happening to, this is happening to a large amount of people, then there's something wrong. Especially when the tracking doesn't even work anymore, and when the tracking was the exact same tracking number as your regular glam bag that was already here days before. It said it was over here. You guys know what I'm saying. Anyways, where's the ultimate? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Have you gotten your ultimate yet? Let me know the other YouTubers that haven't gotten theirs yet. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. As always, if you enjoyed, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up for the fact that I'm out of $75. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.